Hello everyone. Hi Sagittarius. This is the reading for you, January monthly reading. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So what are the messages for you? Sagittarius, your messages for January 2021. This is monthly reading guys. Energy could be vice versa. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So Sagittarius, your messages for the month 2021. January 2021. Okay. Under the deck, Queen of Cups. So let's see your reading, Sagittarius. Yeah. So in recent past or right now, going something, you are stuck on something. And Two of Swords, you have to make some decision. You are at some crossroads. Two of Swords, Hangman and Judgment. Definitely you are going to make some major decision in your life. The Judgment is there. In recent past, for some, you already made some major decisions regarding your life. Okay, some major important decisions. Definitely you are stuck on something. You are spiritually awakening. Some transformation is going in right now or in recent past also. Yeah, definitely in starting you are at some crossroads. You have to make decision, but you get clarity what to do, what not to do, because Judgment, definitely some major decision making here. So let's what's going on your connection right now. Someone is walked away in this connection. It could be you or you person. Definitely someone is walked away. Separation for some. For some there is no contact between both of you, but long term is coming in your way. Definitely reconciliation. Someone from past is coming towards you for reconciliation, because Ace of Pentacles with Six of Cups. Yeah, you both could have strong soulmate and past life connections with each other. Definitely Ace of Pentacles. And for some you are concentrating on your career, only career. You are creating more money and you are getting financial stability. Okay, you are concentrating on financial stability for some. In relationship wise, definitely someone is coming back for reconciliation, Sagittarius, but you are not going to accept first, because you decided to move on from that person, because Three of Swords with Seven of Swords. Definitely this person playing games with you. They may be cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely there is some sneaky energy. Sagittarius, be careful with this person. You already know that your person putting in a third party situation. Be careful, don't give another chance to your person, because you already heartbroken. There is a lot of pain. But someone is coming back. If it is, you already know that that person is sneaky. Please don't give another chance. But they are coming back to offer equal give and take. Okay, now they are realizing your worth. They want to offer equal give and take. So what I am seeing here, but you are concentrating on your career for some, also Six of Pentacles. Yeah, they are coming back for reconciliation, to offer equal give and take, but you decided to move on, what I am getting here. Or there are some trust issues. You are not trusting your person, because Three of Swords with Seven of Swords. There is some sneaky energy, Sagittarius. So your person involved in this connection could be water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or earth sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going on. Sagittarius, your person current feelings. So first we will see your person current feelings, then their near future actions. Queen of Swords, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, your person is really sneaky. Definitely they did something wrong to you. They maybe backstabbed you, because Seven of Swords 2 times. This is not easy. I think there is a lot of sneaky energy what I am getting here. And Queen of Swords and Knight of Pentacles. They want to express their feelings. Some communication is coming in your way, but be careful that communication could be false. I think manipulation communication could be. There is a chance for manipulation. Okay, not for all, for some. For some, your person really changing for you and they want to express their true feelings for you. Knight of Pentacles means very sincere offer with stable energy, with a stable offer, but very slow moving energy. They are coming back, but very slow moving energy. But if you really know that person is sneaky, please don't give another chance, because 2 times 7 of Swords is here. I think you are very heartbroken right now because 3 of Swords, you want some healing. But they are coming back. They want to express their feelings. Sagittarius, it's up to you. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Sagittarius. Your person near future actions towards you. Okay, 10 of Cups. The Magician. 7 of Wands. Yeah, they're manifesting you back. I think for some, really your person could be manipulated. I'm getting the same message again and again. Don't know, because the Magician with 7 of Swords. Yeah, Magician sometimes treated as manipulator also. Maybe they're manipulating 2 persons at the same time, what I'm getting here, but they won't give up on you. 7 of Wands, they're very passionate about you. There is a lot of passion involved. And 10 of Cups, yeah, they want to offer this happiness to you. 10 of Cups, but it totally depends on you, Sagittarius. It's up to you. If it is new person, it is okay. If it is past person, you have to think twice before giving another chance. For some, maybe your new person could be sneaky. Okay, energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So the person you are involved with could be water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Outcome, Sagittarius. I think you don't trust this person because lot of trust issues what I'm getting here, because 7 of Swords 2 times. But you are investing your energy on yourself, what I am getting. Yeah, see card, 9 of Wands. You are very defensive and you are very guarded. Yeah, you are guarded up. You are not available to anyone, either emotionally, because you want to protect your emotions. Sagittarius. King of Pentacles. Stability. Offer. Coming in your way. But you are, yeah, Ace of Cups. But you are very caring and giving person. You are very honest. Okay, let's see what is Star. Wow. For some, there will be reconciliation. This relationship is going to be next level. For some, you are going to take some time because you are right now in guarded up mode. 9 of Wands. And the King of Pentacles, right now you are concentrating on your career more than anything else right now. But Ace of Cups, definitely love is coming towards. For some, it could be new love also. And the Star, definitely there is your person still hoping for this connection. Your person could be Aquarius also. So a lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, your person could be, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, they're coming back for second chance, reconciliation. It's up to you. I think you are not trusting them easily this time, and you want to invest your energy on yourself. You are working towards your career and goals, what I'm seeing here. But they won't give up on you because 7 of Wands, the Magician, they're trying to manifest you back. They're still hoping for the second chance. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Sagittarius. 9 of Swords, the World, 10 of Swords, 7 of Wands. Yeah, you are very defensive. And 10 of Swords, some cycles are going to be end. For some, this could be some rebirth. And the World, yes, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Definitely some cycles are going to be end between both of you. Yeah, 9 of Swords. You are also feeling sad for sometimes when you are in that energy, but you overcome that energy. Then you stand by your power. Then you protect your heart and emotions. What I'm getting here. Here, a lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Princess of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, 3 of Swords, and 3 of Wands. Yeah, waiting game, and this could be long distance relationship for sure. 3 of Swords, I think your person may be also feeling sad if the separation had happened between both of you. Queen of Pentacles, I think they are thinking that you are very sharing and caring person. And Queen of Princess of Wands, I think some messages, communication is coming. They want to communicate their feelings, what I'm seeing here. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Yeah, there is for some there will be reconciliation. For some you are taking time. You decided to move on from this person because the stinky energy, if you know already that about. So this is the reading, guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.